Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make viral gummy bears. First, gather your ingredients: unflavored gelatin, your favorite flavored syrup, and a small amount of water. You'll also need a silicone gummy mold and a small saucepan. This easy method uses just 3 simple ingredients, making it perfect for beginners. Get ready to create some incredibly tasty and visually appealing treats that everyone will love. Next, let's prepare your gummy base. In a small bowl, combine 1/4 cup of cold water with 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin. Stir it well and let the mixture bloom for about 5 minutes. It will thicken considerably. While that's blooming, gently heat 1/2 cup of your chosen flavored syrup in a small saucepan over low heat. Do not let it boil, just warm it through. Now, it's time to combine everything. Add the bloomed gelatin mixture to your warm flavored syrup in the saucepan. Stir continuously over low heat until the gelatin is completely dissolved and the mixture is smooth. Once combined, carefully use a dropper to fill your silicone gummy molds. Try not to overfill them. Finally, refrigerate the filled molds for at least 30 minutes or until the gummies are firm. Once your gummy bears are fully set, gently pop them out of their silicone molds. They should release easily, revealing perfectly shaped, delicious treats. Store your homemade gummies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week or refrigerate them for longer freshness. These are perfect for snacks or gifts. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those amazing leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your viral gummy bears.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.